Alright, let's start by going into our Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom and open the Apps drawer, where all the apps are listed. Here, navigate to iSection to find Instagram. Tap on it. Once you're in Instagram's settings, you'll see a list of things the app has access to, like your camera, microphone, and notifications. Now let's go ahead and tap on Notifications. Here you'll see a few options, including sounds, badges, and banners. You can toggle the sound on or off. Make sure this should be toggled on. Unfortunately, you won't see an option to change the actual notification tone to something custom. It's a bit limiting, but let's check Instagram's in-app settings to see if there's another way. To do this, simply tap on Instagram notification settings, highlighted in blue text. Now you'll see all the notification settings related to DMs and calls. Let's expand the Messages tab. Here, everything is turned on by default, but here's the issue: there's still no option to select a custom notification sound for Instagram messages or alerts. So let's make it simple. Switch back to Settings app. Since iPhones don't let you change notification sounds for individual apps like Android does, let's see what options we have. Go back to Settings and this time look for Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it, and here you'll see different sound options for things like ringtones, text tones, and system alerts. If you tap Text Tone, you can select a different sound that applies to default message notifications, including some third-party apps that don't have their own custom sound settings. But keep in mind, this won't change the Instagram notification tone specifically. It will change the sound for other notifications that use the default system tone as well. So, unfortunately, there's no way to manually set a unique notification sound for Instagram on iPhone. But if you're on Android, you might have that flexibility. The best workaround for iPhone users is changing the default text tone under Sounds and Haptics, which may affect Instagram notifications if they use the system default sound. Hopefully, this helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.